Hi, welcome to today's demo. I'm going to show a quick introduction of what the VEB 12 can do in a hospital environment. So this is the VEB 12 user interface screen. And then in configuration, we have configured a few zones like staff area, main lobby, lab area, and the wards and patient rooms. So we are able to do grouping as well. Back of house area could be the lab area and staff area, while front of house could be the main lobby and the patient wards. So with grouping, whenever you select back of house, you page all these zones, and whenever you select front of house, you page all the zones. The other things you can do with this is you can control the music. So we can switch on the music from here, select jazz playlist, and we are able to change the playlist, the calm music. Or we can stop the playlist. So with this, you won't need to buy any other music player. You're capable of streaming all music from the server. You just have to have all the MP3 in there. So we are also able to do time scheduler. So messages you can actually configure to play at certain times of the day and every day of the week. So in a hospital environment, you can configure all your time scheduler message like visiting hours, end of visiting hours, all to play automatically. Okay. Okay, text to speech. Text to speech is a feature that allows us to type any announcement and it will be automatically configured into audio. So for example, we can click new, select a language, English female, and say welcome to the hospital. We can store it and we can use it at any time from here on. So it supports multiple language, English, Japanese, and Malay for this demo, but it can do as many languages as you require for your project. So AEX system, we have all the voices, the voice library. Okay, this is a VEB 43 10-inch network paging console, and it's connected to any standard network switch. So in this case, this demo is just using a basic unmanaged D-Link network switch. So the end user will be able to see the user interface. If they click paging, they will see all the areas in the hospital, main lobby, staff area, lab area, patient wards. So if they select main lobby, press talk, you hear a chime, and you're able to make the announcement. Welcome to the SJMC hospital. So the user is able to select all the zones, and it's very user-friendly. It's all clearly labeled, so they won't make any mistakes. So the other feature of this VEB 43 is the text streaming. So users are able to type in any announcement and it will be converted into text. For example, text messages. So click new message and just type your announcement. Welcome to the SJMC hospital. Done. Select the zone, press stop.
Welcome to the SJMC hospital.
The other things you can do from the text to stream function is you can select pre-stored text messages, like in this case a message to mask up. So you can see all the messages are pre-stored already. It supports multiple language, so please mask up at all times, Malay and Japanese. So select the message, done, select the zone and press stop.
Please mask up at all times.
Sila pakai pelitup muka setiap masa. 常にマスクを着用してください。ありがとうございました。
So this allows the hospital end user to configure any messages in any language that they want. Even if they can't speak that language, they are able to get the text, get it translated, store it in the system. The setting for it is done on the server. So from the server, you can select a message like rest your mind. So this is to probably promote the hospital's cafe in case anxious relatives or anxious family members are waiting for their loved ones. You can just ask them to rest your mind, enjoy a hot drink at our cafe, and in different languages as well. So once it's saved, they can select it from the touchscreen. So go to rest your mind, press done, select the area and stop.
Rest your mind. Enjoy a hot drink at our cafe.
心を休ませてください。カフェで温かい飲み物をどうぞ。
So the amount of messages and languages that can be stored in the system is virtually unlimited, and it will depend on the end user how they want to use this system. So other things that can be done from the touchscreen is volume control. You can control the volume of the zone from here. If the volume is too loud or too soft, it can be controlled from here. The other features that can be controlled via the 4310 is background music. The user can switch on the background music at those areas. And switch it off. So the user can configure this to switch on music as and when it is required, or they can time schedule it to start via the time scheduler setting. So music and announcements can be time scheduled according to the user requirements. Another features of the 4310 is the event logs and the system status. So users can check the event log and the system status right from the touchscreen console. So again, I'll just show the text streaming function. Text. Delete everything. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it helpful. Click done, select the area, press. So type your announcement, press done, select the zone.
Thank you for watching. We hope you found it helpful.
So that was the English announcement, and one last time in Malay language. Select the language, English, Japanese, female, Malay, and you can type any announcement. Sekian terima kasih para penonton dari SJMC. Press done, select a zone, and
Sekian terima kasih para penonton dari SJMC.
okay, that's basically it. Thank you.